Guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download your earnings report on your Amazon Associate. So in order to download it, you just need to click the burger menu in the upper right hand side and go to reports, click on your earnings report. Now, as you can see right here, there's not much here on my earnings report here, and this is because this is a new account, but for you, you might have a lot of earnings there and so forth, and you want to download the report, right? So in order to download that, on the upper right hand side you have download report. So you click on the download report and you will be able to choose what you want. So that can be orders or earnings or whatever, bonuses. Just go ahead and check the ones that you really want to download, and once you go ahead and select the ones that you want to download, you can choose if you want it in an Excel file format or you want a CSV file format or XML file format. Once you do that, you'll be able to generate and download the report with the details of your choice. And that's it, guys. That's all you'll have to do. Very easy and very simple.